Hi, this is Joel Joy from CST department second year. I am going to do the first experiment in the networking lab. That is different networking commands. And the first A part is using different networking commands using the command prompt. I will show you the PDF. So the first command is ipconfig. It is to get the IP configuration of that is IP address of the current of your PC to the network you are connected. So I'll just open command prompt. You can type like ipconfig. Here it shows the IPv4 address of the system, that is are connected to KUWL, and so the KUWL Karni has given me the IP address 10.2.3.79. This is a subnet mask, this is a gateway, and the other details such as tunnel adapter and Ethernet adapter. See, it is now disconnected. The next command is ping. Ping is to check whether this system is or the particular system is connected to another system or a server. So let me check for Google website. So we use ping google.com, www.google.com. So it is lost. That means we have some connection problem over here. Let's try with another website. Ping karnia.edu. Just a minute. Now I have connected to another network. There is actually some firewall problem over here. Now I'll ping it again, like we'll ping to google.com. So the 4 packets are sent and it successfully sent. So you can see 4 packets are sent and 4 packets are received and nothing is lost. So it's successful. The next command I'm going to use is trace route. It is to track the route through which this laptop or this computer is connected to the network, the main network. Trace. The keyword is trace RT. One minute. Sorry for the mistake. I'll try it again. Let's trace the route to the server of google.com. It might take some time. The maximum hop is 30 hops. So let's see. This is actually to track how this system is connected to that website server or any other system. We can give IP address also over here. It might take some time. You can see these are the IP addresses, that is the interface of the routers through which it's connected. The number of hops may vary from 1 to 30, but the maximum number of hops is 30 hops. Yeah, the trace is completed. Next we'll use the command nslookup. It is used where multiple routers are used. Let's see, www.google.com. Sorry. So let's give like www.google.com. We have got the IP address. Actually, not the IP address. Next is netstat. Sorry. Really sorry. Fix it. Next command is netstat. You are getting the router table over here, the actually routing table over here. The next thing is path ping. It can be used where there are many routers, like again Google, let's give like this. So to tell you again, ping is used to ping from one system to other. Path ping is used. Path ping is used where multiple routers are used. Netstat is used to get the routing table, etc. And then NS lookup is used to find the network address or the IP address of the particular website. The IP config is used to get the IP address and other details like subnet mask. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Now I will show you the second part of the first experiment, that is by using packet tracer. Here we have a system, a PC, which has IP address that's assigned using the DHCP server. So I'll explain you about this topology first. System is connected to the switch, and the switch is connected in turn to a DHCP server, a DNS server, and a web server. DHCP server is used to dynamically assign IP addresses to different systems. DNS server stores the IP addresses of the nearby systems. The web server is used to give the required information to the user who accesses the particular website. Each website has a web server. Now I will show you DHCP server, the system PC. The IP address is assigned through DHCP server. The subnet mask is automatically assigned. There is no gateway since we are not using any routers. The DNS server address, IP address is given over here. Now for the DHCP server, its IP address is given and automatically the subnet mask is generated. The DNS server address, IP address is given over here. Now let's see the DNS server. DNS server IP address is assigned, that is 192.168.10.100. Subnet mask is automatically generated. The DNS server address is the same itself. So let's ping. Let's ping from the PC to the web server. 192.168.10.2. Now we are pinging from the PC to the web server. It's pinging successfully. Sent packets are 4, received packets are 4. So there's no loss. Now let's go to the web browser and type karnia.edu. Yeah, hence we are getting the successful output. I'll show you how this output has come. We are going to the web server and then HTTP. Yeah, this hello. Sorry. Yeah, this server is this website is added to the DHCP. Sorry, the DNS server. So hence we are able to access from this PC. Thank you.